Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys the best free VPN for Windows that you could get right now in about 5 minutes flat. If you've never heard of Proton, don't worry. They've been around for a very long time under Proton Mail, which is an encrypted email service. It's been around for years. They're a Swiss-based company, very well known, and they do not spy on you. So you could go here to the Proton website, click on Proton Free, continue with free, sign up for your account, and get cracking immediately. Next, select the app that you need for whatever kind of device you're on. They have ones for Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, Android TV, Chromebook, and even Linux. Just pick what you need, hit download. You can even do an OpenVPN config file, UDP, TCP, whatever specifics you need, they've got it here. Once you have the app installed, you just log in, and you can immediately connect up to any of these free servers. Right now we're connected to the Netherlands, and as you can see, there's a ton of servers that are marked as free, and then a bunch of paid options, which is if you upgrade to a paid plan. There's even a US-based plan, US-based server that you can connect to, which I'm connected to now. But let's go ahead and do a speed test, because let's face it, if the VPN is unbearably slow, you're not going to want to use it. It's not going to do you any good, but let's try it out. I'm using speedtest.net. You can see the IP matches. We're going to run a test and let's see what we get. And just so you know, I'm on a 500 megabit connection, which is both up and down. And you can see that we're topping out about 99 to 100 megabits a second. Let's check the upload speed. And we're getting similar speeds for the upload as well, 103, 104 megabits a second. And keep in mind, we're still on the free plan. If you decided to upgrade, you would get access to a lot more servers, which may be more local to you. Now I'll just run through the app and just show you guys some of the features. First up, we have the secure core function, which is going to route all your traffic through the most data-friendly countries in the world, sort of like Switzerland, Netherlands. We've also got NetShield, which is going to block ads and malware and things like that, but it does require a paid plan. Next up is the VPN kill switch, which will kill your internet connection if it's not connected to Proton. You can also do port forwarding as well with the paid tier. Next up, you can also create profiles for your servers, which means that if you ever want to reconnect to the same type of server or specific server, you do have that freedom to do it. I'll make a test right now so you could see. You could choose between OpenVPN and WireGuard, select the country, type of server. You can even use that secure server that we were talking about before, or create a P2P or Tor server, and then that way you always have that ready to go with one button press. Overall, it's a great service, and considering that it's free, it gives you a lot of different options to play with. You could do split tunneling, there's hardware acceleration, all kinds of routing and port forwarding that you can do, and a lot of these features are available on the free tier, which kind of makes it a no-brainer for me, especially because a lot of the free VPN services out there that are not this company, a lot of times they're tracking what you're doing, which completely undermines the entire point of having a VPN. The purpose is for security and privacy and browsing privacy, and they don't provide it. Proton provides Proton Mail, which if you haven't seen it, you should Google it and take a look. It's a Swiss-based company. They don't track anything you do. Even on this free tier, they don't track anything you do. There's no logs. And in my opinion, for a free VPN, this is the end-all be-all. Definitely give it a shot. We have a link down in the description below. If you want to give it a try, go ahead. There are going to be some features that you're missing out on the free tier, but you can very easily upgrade your account if you decide to do so at a later date. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.